in essence, this is the car we were trying to emulate. And the colors of this car are the colors we're using in our car. And the quality of the materials that we're using are, bar none, the best. The three-stage paint. So the first coat is a base coat of color. So they'll apply the color coat, and then we'll apply the mica, the second stage, which is where the pearl and the metallic and all that come into play. So once that lays down, the third stage, or the third process, is to clear it. So they put numerous coats of clear on there to give it that depth and that look. So it really is dull until you put that on there. So once the second coat of pearl, there's 2 coats for each step, so it's 2 coats of clear, they'll sand it down flat and smooth and then apply 2 more coats. The color itself does have some historical value to it. The color, the Bordeaux, the brick, whatever people refer to it as, that is an iconic color, really a neat look. That's very Porsche. I don't know if any other manufacturer used that same color combo, but it was definitely iconic for Porsche because, again, not many people are using that. And a lot of people today still want that color. Clear coat is going to protect the paint coat, and it gives it that vibrance and that look, the shine, and the gloss that we were seeking. So by blocking out the first one, they sand it down almost to make it really super smooth, almost like a mirror. And it's flat, and then you put the clear back on it, and it just brings that color back out. This car came in on the tow truck, and we just kind of all swarmed around this car. And it's basically a body. There's no wheels, there's nothing on it, just a body on a couple of dollies. And we rolled it off, and it stopped the shop for about a half an hour. So indoors, you don't get that sun reflecting off the metallics, and you don't see the pearl as much inside. And you bring it out in the sunlight, and the sunlight hits it, it just reflects everywhere. So that's what gives it that depth, or the look of the depth. The paint's really not as deep as it looks, but it does look deep. Next for the Targas, now we finished paint, now it's assembly. Everything's got to go back on it mechanically, and then it's off to the upholstery shop, right? So the upholstery shop's going to have it for roughly a week. It'll have some custom interior done to it, and then back over here and to the body shop for some finishing touches. By end of month, we should have this thing ready to go, and hopefully to be able to host an event here at the dealership to showcase this car. Follow us on social media at Porsche Westlake for events and updates. When you see the car online, don't forget to share. Use hashtag #OldMeetsNew.